This is the Brothers CS600 computer sewing machine. Give you a little quick demo on this one. It works. I have the manual with this machine. And it has this little removable little extension table. Quite a cute little machine. Thread cutter. Don't know a whole lot about this machine. I just got it, so I'm just starting to sew on it a little bit. I got some black thread on it. We have all your different stitches you can do right here. It's real simple to set them by the number right here. Okay, I'm going to put it on 01, which is the center needle straight stitch. This is reverse. I've got it set on 2.5 inch stitch length. You can change your stitch length right here. See that? Make it longer, shorter. 2.5 to 3 is about where I usually sew. And then you can slow it down or speed it up right here. So that's a nice feature. Okay, you want to move your foot pedal, not your foot pedal, your needle position over to the left. We will change it to 0, 0. And watch the needle right here. So, it moves over. Alright, let's try something else. Let's see, what do we want to do? Let's do number 18. So I'll change that number right here to 18. Okay. Nice stitches, and then there's the back. This is on 2 layers of flannel. Okay, now your bobbin is down here. Takes these little, you pop that out. And you use these plastic bobbins. Looks like this is one of the wide plastic bobbins. And then you'll just drop it down in there. And then you follow this little trail. Bring it over like that. Pop your top back in there. See, that cuts the thread. Alright, now, I hadn't even looked at the manual, believe it or not. So, but I'm assuming that you do use that. And then you come on down here like this. Catch your little arm right under there. Catch it down through here. And the needle threader does work, because I got it to work, and I'm not good at these kind of needle threaders. I usually can't get them to work. but it did work for me. If I can see what I'm doing. Yep, there it went. I don't like these kind of needle threaders. Okay. So it's a little simple machine here. Easy to use, just push your buttons and go with it. Pretty simple machine. I have the manual. This machine is around 2005 when it was purchased. Has your cord, your foot pedal, and there she goes. She's available.